Ciao from Calabria. My name is Christel and I'm from Space to Love, and this is Space to Love Quick Tips. Okay, so in my last few videos I showed you how to fold a fitted sheet and a top sheet, and now I'm going to show you how to fold a pillowcase, which is really easy. So you just take the two corners, this is the opening part, and you're just going to fold once and then twice, and you want to leave the trim part out so you can see it, and then just go 1, 2, looks really nice. You add it with your set, and then with the second pillowcase, you want to put the set inside it, because then you can leave that in your linen closet, and then when it's time to change your sheets, you know where everything is. You're not scrambling around looking for the pillowcases that match. It's all together. And then it also keeps your linen closet looking very organized and very streamlined. See, so we just like that. And then you're just going to fold it over once, and then just tuck that bottom part in. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to know more about us at Space to Love, check us out at spacetolove.com. And of course, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment. We'd love to hear from you. Again, thanks so much for watching, and ciao from Calabria.